Hello everyone, in this video we are going to explore top 5 tips in Fusion 360. So without further ado, let's get started. Tip number 1. Selecting by name. If you have large assemblies, you might find difficulty in selecting the objects or just explaining them to your boss, right? Here's a tip for you. Under select, inside selection tools, we have select by name, select by boundary, select by size, and inverse selection. If you click on select by name, it allows you to search the body or component with the name. I'm gonna find a component of case. If you click on this find symbol, it gets highlighted in the canvas. I just love that, and even you can isolate that. Perfect, right? Let's try that one more time. I wanna search shock. If you observe here, all the shocks are highlighted. I'm gonna click OK, and if you right click, and here we have create selection set. Just click on that. Now that it added to selection set, under selection set, if you observe here we have that. Click on that, it highlights all those. You can hide or show by pressing V. I just love that, guys. Moving on, tip number 2, extracting edges in T-splines. If you observe here, I just have created a box. I'm gonna finish form. We haven't got the edges in here, right? In order to get those, get back to form workspace, and under utilities, click on convert and select the body to convert, and if you select keep edges, select all the edges that you want to keep. I just want to keep the entire chain edge. Just hold Ctrl and double click on the edge to select the chain. Perfect, and then click OK. Now that we got this edge, this is very handy for making the car bodies and ship hulls. This is nice, isn't it? Moving on, tip number 3, drafting phases. If you observe this body, I just want to provide tapper omitting this face. If you double click on that extrude feature, we have tapper angle. I just don't have any option to omit this face. If you type the tapper angle, it's not the results that I want. I'm gonna cancel that. Under modify, we have draft, and select the pull direction as this face, and the phases be these all. Select all those, omitting this face. Perfect, and the tapper angle be 30 degrees. This is what the output I want. We just tapered omitting this face. Perfect. Moving on, tip number 4, multiple selections in fillet and chamfer. You might need to chamfer or fillet sharp edges, right? And here's a tip for you. Select chamfer. I just wanna provide a chamfer value of 1 mm for this edge, and a chamfer value of 0.5 mm for this edge. But if you select those edges, they are getting the same 1 mm value for both those. Just deselect the edge and click on this plus icon in here. And now select the edge, enter the different value, 0.5 in this case. Perfect. I just love that. Proceeding forward, tip number 5, cosmic threads. If you observe this model, we're having threads that are cosmic. At any point of time, you can change that to model. Here's how you can do that. Under document settings, if you observe here, the threads are cosmetic. Click on this button and change the thread type to model. Awesome. If you want to 3D print, you must export like this. Let's see one more model. In here we have model threads. I just want to change them to cosmetic. Now that these are cosmetic, and this is how my workflow is gonna be improved when I'm working with this design file. These are the two tutorials that we did in the previous videos, screw jack and stuffing box. I'll drop the links in description. Please go and watch. Thank you so much guys. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let us know through comments which is your favorite tip. I'll see you in the next week. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit that like button if it helps you and subscribe to World of Vision 360 for getting notifications each time when we upload new video like this. Thank you so much guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.